What's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who back, baby, with another video. I think I've come kicking it with me today, guys. So somebody asked me in my video, Q, why you always wear black? Man, because I like black. You know what I'm saying? My wife say the same thing, guys. She always say, why you always wear black? Like, I really do. And I don't know when it happened, but I do like colors. But in my videos, it's just I'm throwing a t-shirt or something real quick, so it's gonna be black probably. So you saw the title of the video. I'm not sure why I titled it. It was either why I almost quit YouTube or social media, something in that sense, right? So I really did almost just take a step away from it all, guys. If you notice, right around Thanksgiving, I just stopped posting like on social media. I was still doing the YouTube thing, but I just stopped posting on freaking like Instagram and TikTok and Facebook because, guys, like, one, it's a lot of work. It starts to take a little toll on my personal mental. I don't know about anybody else. Can't speak for anybody else. Speak for myself. You know, I run a Facebook account, Instagram account, TikTok account, and YouTube account. You know, so and then my personal, like, more personal Facebook stuff, so it can become a lot, and it can start raining down like on your mental, right? And so it got to a point, guys, where I was just looking at social media, man. I'm just like, I hate to say this because there's a lot of real people on there, but it's a lot of fake people on social media, like so much fake stuff. And for me, it just started rubbing me the wrong way. I'm just like, bro, I'm just tired of this stuff. Like, you see people post stuff and like they post like these glamorous lives or glamorous things, and it's like, you know, it's not real. You know what I'm saying? Like, not all this is real. Now, some people live those lives, don't get me wrong, but most of them don't. I just started getting a bad taste in my mouth about the whole thing. And, you know, y'all probably seen a clip of Kevin Gacy said it, and, you know, that's how I was feeling at that exact moment. He was like, I'm human, you know, and I'm human. And I started comparing myself to what other people had going on in their lives, what they were doing, what they were achieving. And so I'm started looking at myself like, I ain't got nothing going on. I'm not making any moves in my life. So it started making me feel kind of down about myself, like what I was doing, like I'm not further as long as I should be in my life, you know. And that's just me. Like, I'm basically, and I posted that comment on a picture, you know, we comparing our real lives to people highlight reels, right? And that's what I was referring to. So I was definitely going in that mindset.
In 1 mile, use the right 2 lanes to exit right 2 Dallas North Toll
I'm about
Lane.
to stop her, actually. Hold
then
on.
keep.
I started comparing myself to other people, bro, and like what they were doing and things like that. And like, you know, and I know a lot of you all look up to, you know, I guess me, I don't consider myself like an influencer or like anybody special. I'm just a dude who decided to pick up a camera and pretend to know what the hell he talking about with his truck or try to figure it out, you know, and just sharing my experience with everybody, right? I want to let y'all know that, like, man, you look at these people on Instagram or me, like, life ain't perfect for everybody, bro. It's really not. Things are not perfect. Things ain't all sweet like people pretend it to be. Like, every day, if you think somebody was doing like this amazing event or all these people posting they getting rich off Dogecoin and Shiba, all this, if they really was rich, like, you realize people overpost when they're trying to prove something, right? Nobody posts the negative stuff. They only post the positive stuff, right? So I'm on, oh, I made $3,000 in the stock market. Yeah, but how much did you lose? You know, people don't post the losses. They only post the win. And we can easily, as society, start comparing our lives to these social media highlights that people post on a day-to-day basis. And it started happening to me. Like, you know, there's a lot of people I follow and I look up to, and I'm seeing them buy all these cars, all these trucks, doing this, doing that. And I'm like, you know, I'm still pushing, but it's like, dang, I'm working hard, but I'm not, you know, maybe not where I want to be personally. So it started like just messing with me. So I took a break. I stopped posting, and I almost just wanted to, I told my wife, all right, man, I'm just ready to quit it all, bro. Like, I'm just ready to really just quit and give it all up. And she was like, wow. I'm just like, you know, it's just social media's becoming a drain, bro. Like, it really is becoming a drain mentally. And so I just took a break away. I think I need to start setting boundaries on how I do. I might need to start getting a business phone where I just use my personal for personal and only use my business phone when I want to actually be engaging on social media. So yeah, I went through a little funk. I was comparing my life to people highlight reels. And I'm pretty sure a lot of y'all, I think a lot of people fall victim to that, to be honest with you. You know, I see a lot of people like, oh man, I wish my truck was as clean as yours. And I'm like, I'm like, man, you know, and I say the same thing about somebody else I may see and look up to. So I get where that's coming from, God, but let me tell y'all, golly, that's a clean Shelby, bro. Sheesh. Sorry. I'm telling y'all, bro, just focus on yourself, focus on your personal growth. Don't worry about what everybody doing on social media, man. If you can't take a day or 2 off from social media, I took a whole like week and a half, you know. I just needed it. And my last point about this is I had to remind myself why I chose to start doing social media and YouTube. And if you follow me, you know me, I push to inspire and motivate. I don't push to try to keep up with nobody else, you know, like try to push to be better, keep up with the next man. I'm looking to motivate and help people who may be looking for assistance, like to be better than myself, push myself. And I had to remember my why I started doing what I was doing. And that motivated me again. You know, the vlogging and stuff, y'all can see, like y'all said, the video's been fire so far, and I appreciate that. And I just had to remember my why. Why did I start doing YouTube? Why did I start posting? And, you know, fall out of that, I'm posting just to get a whole bunch of likes. I'm posting to hopefully help somebody, inspire somebody, pick somebody up, maybe on my YouTube videos, give some information to someone. So remember your why when you start doing stuff, man. Know your why. And like I said, don't believe everything you see on social media, because the shit, half of it is probably fake. Somebody probably posting $5,000, $50,000, $100,000, $500,000. They probably only got $50. You feel me? Like, don't believe it, man. You know, and for those who are very successful on social media platform, kudos to them. You know, I'm not talking about though. I'm just talking about there's a lot of fake stuff out there, so you gotta guard your heart and your mental, bro, like your mind, because it's easy to fall into that trap of comparing everybody else's successes to your everyday life, where you may just got fired from a job, lost a loved one, who knows, and you're seeing this person, oh, I just bought my 3rd house or my 5th truck, or you know, I'm getting a $20,000 lift kit, or I just bought my brand new motorcycle, and you be like, damn, I'm not doing nothing in life, not realizing to look back where you have came from in life. And y'all know me, you know my channel, I have came a long way, bro, from sleeping in a weight room, like an actual weight room, sleeping on the air mattress in a weight room, no car, only having a scooter. At one point, didn't have a scooter, walking, catching the bus. So I've come a long way, and I had to just remind myself, like, bro, stop comparing. You're doing fine. You came a long way. At this point, you know, just remember your why you're doing what you're doing. So at the end of the day, that's just a quick video. I know it's a Vlogmas video. I know it's probably not truck or car related, man, but I think it's just important to talk about these things as well, guys. So, but anyway, this Shelby again is super clean, bro. Oh, Shelby, if y'all know him, tag him, I'm gonna let him know he was in Kicking It With Q video. But anyway, man, that's all I got. It's your boy Q. Catch y'all next one. Peace.